Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this Minecraft Santa. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw the hat. Let's start by drawing a line across. Now on both sides, let's bring it down. Bring it in and up from the bottom. And then one more line across. Now for the top part of the hat, on top, let's step in and let's draw another set of lines up. A line across at the top. Now on the left side, let's draw a square shape going outwards like this. And then from the top left corner, let's draw an angle down and over. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move underneath and let's start drawing the face. Let's start underneath the hat on both sides and let's draw a line down. Now let's move in, and at the top, let's draw two rectangles for the eyebrows. Now underneath each eyebrow, let's draw a rectangle for the eyes. And then a line down inside each one. And then color the pupils in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now underneath, let's draw a sideways rectangle for the nose. Now underneath, let's add the beard. Let's first hop to the sides and let's draw a line across like this. Then let's bring it down and in to the nose. Now we're going to hop back out to the outside and let's draw a line down. And then bring it in. And let's continue drawing that step line down all the way, meeting at the bottom. Now we're going to hop inside the beard and add a mustache at the top. Let's start with two lines down. Now from the bottom, let's bring it in and up. And then one more line across. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start on both sides, and we're going to draw the shoulders by drawing a line out. Then let's bring it down. Bring it back in. And then one more line up to form a rectangle. Now underneath on both sides, let's draw two lines down for the torso. And then at the bottom, we're going to draw a rectangle shape that's slightly longer on both sides. Now we're going to move inside and add the belt. Let's start with a square shape inside in the center. And then another one inside. Next, we're going to hop to the sides and we're going to draw 2 lines out on the left. And the same thing on the right side. Now on top of the belt, let's draw a line down and continue it underneath. And then one more on the left and on the right. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move out and let's draw the arms. Let's start under the shoulders and let's draw a line down on both sides. Then underneath, let's draw a line out that's slightly longer. Then let's bring it down and then back in. Now underneath for the hands, let's draw a stepped line down like this. A line down from the outside. And then close it off at the bottom. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 lines down in the center. And then 2 on the outside. Now underneath, let's draw a line going out, bringing it out further. Then let's bring it down on both sides. And then close off the bottom of each foot. Lastly, inside the bottom of each leg, let's draw 2 lines across. And that's it for Minecraft Santa. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!